it's time for Friendsmas. Everyone's here. I'm about to not everyone, like some people are not here yet. So I'm about to introduce you to everyone and I'm going to show you the setup. We have like all the cute stuff. They say I went all out. I don't think I did, but they say. So yeah, let me show everybody.
Could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream, and a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, and a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Jessica's here. Hi Jessica. Love you. It's been like 3 years. And she went all dressed up, ready for the occasion. Sin's here. Hi Sin. Yeah. Catherine. We have like 3 more people that are on the way. We're just like getting drinks. Jessica brought us drinks. Like, show the drinks. She knows me too well. Like, all pink drinks.
Yum.
Moscata. Love it. Did I say it right?
Yes.
And then she got this one here, like 𝓖𝓵𝓪𝓶. The aesthetics. Oh no. Look at this. So we got the cupcakes. Yeah. Look at this. Our little charcuterie board. I can't say that word right. Look, we got all the stuff. It came out lovely. We got our bananas, we got pizzas, Christmas cookies, chips, more pizza, and then on this side we have all of our names on our plates. We're like doing half fancy. We got plastic plates, but with these cute little. So this is my one, and this is like all our plates. I love it. Cheers to a better 2022. Cheers. She's opening up the wine for us. Oh, so it's not like the loud one?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yay. Struggling to open.
Did you rate my language for your viewers?
Oh no, it's good already. They already know how I am. Let's see if Jessica gets this. The wine opening challenge.
Pop that cherry.
What did you say?
Almost there. Jesus Christ.
The challenge, no one can do it.
I will get this one open.
She's about to do it. You can see the pain in her face.
This one has a lot of stuff.
Yay! I'm rushing. I need it. Which one's my glass? You all put your glass forward first.
All mix. Nice.
All the way up?
No, that's fine. Because let me finish this one.
Alright. Look, Catherine has her glass waiting.
Okay. Off alcohol.
I want to lick off the table.
Party foul.
Our little wine that we have left. I'm a good cocktail waitress. Girls did not waste time. Look at this. The girls did not waste time. This is empty. And I just realized what you're holding up.
Yeah. Almost.
Who are the people that... Like all 3 of us just went through that like it's juice. Like it's juice.
It is juice.
It is juice.
It's adult juice.
Where is it? Where's my one?
For being adults.
That's my one.
I think yours is over there. Give it for you, so I can give you the
Oh.
last. Did you get some? I'm good.
Yeah. Yay! Yay! Yeah. Your dress. Oh, look at you, head to toe. Oh my gosh, you're so stunning. Oh, I'm gonna like get your reaction of you getting your stuff. You wanna meet everyone? 𝓲𝓵𝓪𝓶. This is 𝓲𝓵𝓫. This is my other Bumble BFF friend. Yeah, my 2 Bumble BFF friends. Yeah, she was saying that we need to do like a TikTok or something to like, I like your outfit. Met her all the way in Austin. You guys are stunning. You look gorgeous. Oh, and sin change. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cleaning. Oh, I love this girl. So we changed outfit. Turn around for them. Look at this beauty. Look at her. You have to like show them when you get down to the bottom. Yeah. Look at her outfit, dolls. Stunning. I love it. She looks good. Let's go. Yes, look at that. Look at the color scheme.
I know, we're so festive.
We all look bomb. Look at you. Your waist is so snatched. You look great. Oh my god, like you're in the red. You're in the red. We didn't plan this. And the velvet. And then I'm in the sequin, well not sequins, glitter. And then you're in that kind of shimmery and the greens. just fire. Yeah, I'm gonna play some games soon. So like we're gonna have 2 models. So who are we nominating to be the models? And probably 𝓲𝓵𝓫. And probably 𝓲𝓵𝓫's the model. One of our games, we're gonna eat first, and then one of our games is gonna be making a dress out of, what's it? Wrapping paper. So the best dressed is gonna be, I'm gonna put it on my Instagram. You can all do it as well, and whoever gets the most votes wins. So I'm gonna put it side by side and put left or right. Yeah. Only, oh yeah, that's the rule. Only tape and scissors to make this dress.
That's all I need.
Yeah. You said that's all I need. Your Bonnie's here. Bonnie's here. Yeah. Hi, Bonnie. She came. She understood the assignment. She like, we're all like in colours, but she's like, I'm doing burnt orange. You look gorgeous. Oh. So like very Victorian, right? Oh, you look gorgeous, Bonnie. Yeah. So like, here's all the setup. Your like plate is over there.
Oh, I love those.
Oh.
Good, yeah.
You said it at the same time. Just do an outfit turn, Bonnie. Do an outfit turn. So it's her outfit. Oh, you look cute. Winter chic. Oh, you look good. Everyone. No, you came through. You look gorgeous. Everyone looks so cute. She's my other Bumble BFF. Like Bumble BFF, Bumble BFF, Bumble BFF. And we all met. We all like, it's an app. Like, and you can meet friends on there. You can date on there, and you can meet friends. And she's all the way from Austin, all the way from California, and you're New Jersey, right? Yeah, and I met them all around the same time. Kind of, yeah. So I met you 2 exactly around the same time. Oh, wow. Yeah, and then I met you, yeah, a week ago, yeah. And now she's here. Yeah, the cupcake. I did that too, like, cheers. They're so cute.
They're like shot. Where's the soda? Oh, I'm holding it.
Oh, you have your one. Cheers. Yeah, they're saying it tastes really rich.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Wait, I've not tried it. So this is the end of the Friendsmas part 1. Part 2 will be next. So tune in tomorrow on Christmas Day for Friendsmas 2021 part 2. We'll be playing an amazing Christmas game that I can't wait for you dolls to see. Tune in tomorrow. Bye dolls. Love you.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life, and I think I'm la-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Boom-ba-oh, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh, and I think I'm la-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Boom-ba-oh, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh, life, and I think I'm if I could take you up in boom, 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 shaboom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be